Madam, how to accept a truth instead of stating false accusations on our fate?
How to accept a truth instead of stating false accusations on our fate. Okay. How to accept the truth? Whether you accept the truth or not, truth is truth. It doesn't. It is not expecting whether you are accepting it or not. For example, you are just standing on the fourth story building, and if you are not knowing about the acceleration due to gravity, but truth is there is acceleration due to gravity. Any body is attracted towards the center of the earth, that is the truth. If you don't accept also, that is the truth. Whether you accept or not is not the matter, truth is truth. Whether Newton might have given this law or not given the law, truth is truth. If the fellow is not understanding and he is in a false thinking in the fate, let me think about my fate, and jumps from the fourth floor, will the truth stop? Definitely he will fall down with a broken, at the end of the day, with a broken hand or a leg or something. Yes, he cannot say that I don't accept whether it is truth or false. I mean, truth will not wait for anybody's acceptance. Truth is truth. Whether you accept it or not, truth is truth. We have to give homage to the truth. That's all. We have to give respect to the truth. If we can't give respect to the truth, it will get respect by itself. It will not even ask you to give respect to me. No. That is the truth. So, my dear friends, here, most important thing I would like to, let me give with an example. Truth with an example. For example, a person is going to a wine shop to get the wine because he is getting immense pleasure in having the wine, and he is having a false idea that all the work or all the kind of things he will forget if I am taking this chemical dose. But the truth is that a person who is completely on cannot give his best. For example, a drunkard fellow is there. He is a pilot to drive the helicopter or the aeroplane. He will not be given permission to drive the helicopter or the aeroplane will not be handed over to him because he is in the drunkard condition. He may tell that if I am having some chemical dose within me, I am going to give my best. Then also the truth is, the rest of the passengers are not ready to have the journey in that particular flight. If you drive, nobody will enter it. That is the truth. That is a simple truth. If the doctor, completely in a drunkard form, comes to the operation theatre, the patient also will run away from there. Because it is the truth that, yes, he is conscious, more conscious, super conscious, but even then, see my dear friends, truth is truth. In our Vedic literature, all the truths are kept in a systematic form and told what to be done and what not to be done. That is the truth. Whether you accept or not, it is depending on your wisdom. So if someone is filling their mindset that this is my fate, thinking that false is fate, again the truth will not show any kind of mercy on you, the same result you have to experience again. So, giving respect to the elders, giving respect to the people around is the thing what is being told in our Vedic literature. That is the truth. But how to accept the truth and go according to it? Otherwise, we land ourselves into the hell. If we want to land ourselves into the heaven, definitely we must hold the path of the truth. Very important. The truth is going to make, for example, you are lying something, but your heart knows what is the truth. You need not go to a judge or the lawyer or a police to find out what is the truth. The truth is continuously being given from your heart. If a person is working with his heart, he is truthful to himself. Most of the cases, we are not truthful to ourselves. The problem comes there itself. We are not truthful to ourselves. We need not be truthful to anyone, but we must be truthful to ourselves. Every moment of our life. Question yourself, am I truthful to myself or not? Am I truthful to myself or not? Am I trustworthy to myself or not? This is very, very important question which a person have to ask him on a regular basis, on a everyday basis. Am I truthful to myself? Today, what are the things what I have done to myself? Is it good for me? Is it good for the people around me? Is it good for the organization for which I am working for? Am I truthful in doing this work? Am I sincere? That kind of question, your question is going to reform you. It is going to reform you. This is the most important habit every individual has to nurture himself. If he is continuously handling himself, doing justification to himself, to be truthful to himself, definitely he is going to be a great asset to the family, to the nation. To be truthful to himself, the most important thing. So, I think for that you need not ask externally anybody. You just have to question to your heart within. It will tell you whether am I doing something truthfully. Is it justified? Am I doing justification for me or not? Am I truthful to myself or not? That's all. If a person is taking a wrong chemical into his body just to forget himself, or if the person is seeing something wrong which he should not see, his heart will be telling what you are doing is not truthful. What your heart is saying that, don't see, this is not good. Don't listen to it, this is not good. Don't take it. Don't eat this. Don't drink this. This is not taking. See, if your inputs are being taken truthfully, whether it is eating or drinking or seeing or listening or anything, is being taken truthfully, sincerely. Your heart is, you are listening to your heart. You are truthful in taking your inputs. Naturally, your outputs will be best. One must be truthful to himself, not with anybody else. One must be truthful to himself every moment of his life. Then he feels proud about himself. He feels proud about himself, and also his presence is going to be felt proud by everybody around him. To be truthful to himself is very important. Never think that you can deceive somebody. No, no one can deceive anybody. First you will deceive yourself. And you are the architect of your own future. If you are a truthful architect, the best figure is going to come out and everybody is going to worship it. So, to be truthful to ourselves every moment means living a life with a good heartfulness, very important. Thank you.